All right, I gotta apologize for the technology again until I get better technology. This is how it's gonna look. I do want to thank everybody for their advice, but unfortunately it's like, don't worry about the quality of the video, worry about the quality of the education. So I know it looks like you're just looking at a bunch of dots and we're gonna play connect the dots. But if you missed first week of geometry class, then you don't really know the notation and you're gonna get lost because word problems make you draw the diagram. So I'm gonna draw diagrams and then hopefully you'll get the notation down. So when you read a word problem, okay, I understand what they're talking about. Now you can draw the diagram. Diagrams help draw. In geometry, you gotta be able to draw. First thing I'm looking at is this. Guess what it is? It's a point, P. Simple as that. Here's how you write it. Point, P. Well, here's how you read it. And this is the notation. Point P. Very simple. English, math. English, math. Okay? Mathematicians are pretty lazy, so everything is shorthand. Here is point A and point B. That's 2 points. Okay? What can I do with 2 points? I can connect them. And now I have a line. What you didn't see because I was too fast, maybe if you slow down the video, is when I'm connecting 2 points, I'm actually drawing an infinite amount of points. Okay, so don't think just because you see A and B labeled there's only 2 points on a line. There's actually infinite amount of points on this line. Okay, this is read as line AB if you're doing English, and if you're doing math notation, it's AB with a line over it, and this is line AB. Okay, again, we're lazy, I'm not gonna write that, we're gonna write this. Next, I see point A, I see point B, I see point C. If I wanted to keep 3 points that don't lie on a straight line, 3 points that are not on a straight line, these are called non-collinear. Non-collinear. All right, a lot of people look at this word, they can't even pronounce it or they don't know what it means. Look at it slowly. Co means the same or together, and linear means on a line. So it's not on the same line. These 3 points are not on the same line, therefore they don't make up a line, they actually make up a plane. A flat surface is a plane, not the plane, no, it is a flat surface, is a plane. The chalkboard, the blackboard, the whiteboard, the floor, the desk, those are all planes. So it takes 3 points. There's obviously a million other points here, but it only takes a minimum of 3 points to create a plane. Plane A, B, C. And unfortunately, I don't know the shorthand for that. We got to be specific, because if you just leave it as ABC and don't specify plane here, then I'm not sure if you're talking about a triangle or something else. Oh, okay, well you just drew a picture of a flat surface as a plane like that, right? ABC. Then it gets confusing because this kind of looks like quadrilateral ABC, which is impossible because the quadrilateral has 4 points, 4 vertices. So if I were you, I would just be very clear or specific, plane ABC. Here's for the lazy shortcut, they'll put a letter in the corner, let's say P or R or whatever, and then you refer to the whole plane as just the letter in the corner. Okay, now we're over here, keep connecting the dots. This time, I'm gonna go from endpoint A to endpoint B, and if I do that in slow motion, you will see that, again, it's really just a connection of infinite amount of points. But here I stopped at endpoints as opposed to continue going in both directions. This is a line. This is a line segment. Okay, I hope you can see that. And a line segment, shorthand or the lazy way is, you guessed it, AB, line segment, AB. Okay. Now I got 2 points again. This time, what do I want to do? I'm going to go from endpoint A to B, but I'm going to keep going in this direction, continue going in that direction. Slow motion. I really just did an infinite amount of points, this time with 1 endpoint and going on, continuing in one direction. This is called ray AB, and the shorthand for that, I wonder if you can guess, is AB with the actual ray on top. Okay, so this is ray AB. Finally, we got NOY. I'm going to draw ray ON. I'm going to draw ray OY. They share a common vertex. Okay. Ray. I don't want to write it in English. I'm going to write it in math because you learned something. So ON, ray ON, and ray OY connect to create angle NOY. Yes, I did that on purpose. Okay, so here I have angle NOY, and this looks like an acute angle, although I didn't measure it. You can safely assume it's acute. How many angles are there? There's acute, obtuse, right, straight, reflex. 5 types of angles. I'll say that again, or you could just rewind the video. Acute, obtuse, right, straight, and reflex. If you need to pause at any time to write this stuff down, I highly recommend it. Here are the highlights. Shorthand, point P. Shorthand, line AB. No real shorthand here. Shorthand, segment AB, and pop quiz, what is that? Don't look. That's ray AB and shorthand angle NOY. Okay, it's the building blocks of geometry. I haven't used any real numbers yet, so stay tuned. Thanks. See ya.